Hi my beautiful friends, Dolly here, and in this video I'm going to share how to drape a sari on a sharara. I have done saris on petticoats, on denims, on leggings, on jeggings, on skirts, on short skirts. But this is a unique drape that I'm doing it on sharara just for you. So friends, I really wanted to share this with you that as important a makeup artist and a hair artist is, equally is important a sari draper, a sari stylist, a person who can fit your sari in such a way that you can really feel comfortable throughout your event. She knows exactly where to pin, how much to pin, where to give you that one stitch, and there's so many other details that is involved when you're doing that sari drape. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that red button here. Otherwise you'll miss out on all the videos that I'm going to post in near future. So till then, keep enjoying my drapes and keep loving me. I love you. So she's wearing a sharara, a blouse which has got this beautiful organza sleeves, and stunning neck piece from this amazing store in Calcutta, Savan Sukha Jewelers. So now when I start my drape, I've always told you all to start 2 inches from your navel. You start tucking in like this. But since this is a completely different drape, you start from making your palla. So let me show you how you do that. So this. So you go 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Try and make sleeker pleats. The pleats should rest on your shoulders. The broader you take from here, the broader you will look. So I have just made pleats to save some time. So this is my pleats. I'll just dust it. I'll get all the pleats in place. This, okay? After doing this, you place this on your shoulders. And you take this from here. Bring the fabric from behind. Now normally what we do is we start making our pleats from here like this and tucking it like this, right? But in this you have to make your pleats from this side. Like this. See how I've made my pleats? After you've done this, just secure this with a pin so that when you're tucking in, you don't, the pleats doesn't go haywire. So after you've done this, just align them and tuck it right below, not below, in the center of your navel, like this. Like this. After you've done this, what you have to do is take this fabric tightly and push it back and tuck this whole part so that it's neat from this side. Okay, now turn around. Okay, so you take this and tuck this here and cover your bust. Take this fabric and tuck the other end here. So what you have is this whole fabric here behind. Now take them together and start making pleats together like a box. See, this is how I make. The pleats are made together. See, like these. After you've done this, what you need to do is just dust them. Just dust them so you have all the pleats in place. Take this and right in the center, tuck the whole thing inside. like this, giving a nice cowl shape here and here. So this is how it looks from back, and turn. And this is how it looks from front. You can adjust this, one pin on your shoulders. Basically we've just used 3 pins, one on your shoulders, one here where you've attached with the pins, and one behind. That's it. You don't need a whole dozen of sari, sari pins to fix a drape like this. You'll be sorted. If you need one more, you can attach one more safety pins, and I think that's it. So this is a kind of a drape that you can enjoy it over a sharara. I really wish you all are going to try this for this festive season and the winter wedding season that's here. You can try this with a jacket, you can style it with a shawl. In my upcoming videos, I'm going to show you also how you're going to drape saris like these with beautiful shawls. So stay tuned, stay connected, and keep loving my drapes. I'm looking forward to reading lot of your comments. So thank you so much. Bye.